Hello there, friends. Welcome to today's English lesson. It is time for you to level up your English. What do you want to be when you grow up? What are your dreams? Do you want to be a pilot, firefighter, chef, or an artist? Or perhaps you think of becoming a doctor and saving people's lives. Maybe you want to be a famous singer, or on the other side, becoming a football player is your dream. Who knows? In this lesson, we are going to study about how to express your future dreams. Take a look at some examples in the picture. Look at the girl on the left. She says, I am going to be a police officer because I want to help people. Saya akan menjadi seorang polisi karena saya ingin membantu masyarakat. That is her dream, to be a police officer. Now, look at the right corner. There is a future astronaut. He says, I want to be an astronaut because I love physics. Saya ingin menjadi seorang astronot karena saya suka fisika. Last, the example at the bottom. Can you see the vet clinic at the background? She says, I will be a vet because I want to treat animals. Saya ingin menjadi seorang dokter hewan karena saya ingin merawat hewan. How exactly to talk about future? The answer is by using will and be going to. Let me read you a paragraph about will and be going to. Pay attention to the purple word. Maria is going to be an engineer. She loves math and building things. She will study hard at school. She's going to learn about science and computers. I will build tall building, she says. I am going to help my city. Her teacher smiles. You will do great work someday. After school, Maria will draw her ideas. She's going to make her dreams come true. Apa yang kalian tangkap dari tulisan berwarna ungu di paragraf tadi? Yaps, they're all using be going to. Contohnya seperti is going to and I'm going to. They also use will. Jadi, untuk membicarakan sesuatu di masa yang akan datang, kita menggunakan will and be going to. Will and be going to secara sederhana berarti akan. Tapi kalian juga bisa memakai be going to untuk membicarakan tentang rencana. Verb yang mengikuti will dan be going to adalah verb 1. Contoh dalam kalimat yaitu he will become a soccer player or they are going to go to Papua next month. Become adalah verb 1, sama juga dengan go adalah verb 1. You get it? Lihat contoh di gambar ini. She will become an engineer. She is going to study about machine. Baik become and study, keduanya adalah verb 1. I will give you another example. Look at these sentences. They are doctors. They are going to research about medicine. The verb research adalah verb 1. Saya akan membacakan cerita tentang rencana masa depan Rina. Rina's future plan. Rina is going to be a doctor someday. I will study hard, she says to her teacher. Tomorrow, I'm going to read my science book. Her friend asks, will you help me with my homework? Yes, I will help you after school, Rina replies. We are going to meet at the library, she tells her mother. That's good, her mother says. You will learn a lot together. Wow, Rina has a great dream, hasn't she? Let's do some exercises about that story. By the way, that is Rina in her white coat in front of a hospital. Look like her dreams come true. Sekarang, ayo kita latihan tentang will and be going to dengan menggunakan cerita Rina. You need to read Rina's story one more time. Pause the video if you need. Now, answer the questions using will and be going to. You need to answer question 1 and 2 first. lihat petunjuk untuk menjawab. Tersedia di dalam kurung ya. Go ahead. Now the rest 3 questions. Still use will and be going to. Soal terakhir, kalian bisa membuat kalimat kalian sendiri. Semangat! Here are the answers. Answer for number 1 is Rina is going to be a doctor someday. Number 2, she will study hard. Number 3, they are going to meet at the library. Number 4, they will learn a lot together. Number 5, it's all up to you. Don't forget to use be going to or will. You got this. Well, berbicara tentang mimpi, banyak sekali cerita tokoh-tokoh dunia yang bekerja mewujudkan mimpinya. Why don't we listen to another story that uses will and be going to? This time is about a man called Walt E. Disney. Walt Disney had a big dream. He was going to build a magical place called Disney World. It will be the happiest place on earth. Walt will need help from his brother Roy. They are going to work together on this project. Walt will create detailed plans for the park. He's going to draw a castle in the center. The castle will be beautiful and tall. Many people think the idea will fall, but Walt believes visitors will love it. Families are going to come from all over the world to visit. Walt is going to meet with designers every day. They will build amazing rides around the castle. Walt knows children will remember this special place forever. Disney World is going to bring joy to millions of people. This is just the beginning. Disney will keep growing and changing for generations to come. Ayo kita pergi ke dunianya Walt Disney alias Walt Disney World atau biasanya juga disingkat Disney World. It is located in Orlando, Florida, USA. Remember the castle? That is Cinderella Castle. Kalian sudah melihat kastilnya di waktu siang di video tadi. Sekarang, ayo kita lihat kastilnya di waktu senja dan di malam hari. Kastil ini tetap cantik di waktu kapanpun, mau pagi, sore, ataupun malam. Fun fact, Disney World adalah taman bermain kedua di USA. Yang pertama adalah Disneyland di Anaheim, California, still in the USA. Well, that is all for today. Don't forget to set your dream high and aim it. Who knows, maybe you're the next Walt Disney. See you next time. Bye-bye.